Hello students of class 2. Today we will start the chapter clothes we wear. Okay. Today we will come to the lesson to clothes we wear. So open your books to this lesson and let us start this chapter today. Today's date is the 8th. So come to the lesson clothes we wear. Open your book, students. So now what do we see in this chapter? Let us start. We wear clothes to cover our body and to protect ourselves from the heat, cold, rain, wind and sun. We wear different kinds of clothes depending on the season, the place we live in and the work we do. So, we wear clothes to do what? To cover our body and protect ourselves from the heat, from the cold, from the rain and from the sun. Like in the cold season, we wear sweaters, we wear mufflers, okay? Rainy season, we wear raincoat. So, in different seasons, we wear different clothes to protect ourselves. It also depends upon the place we live in and the work we do. Different clothes we wear according to the season, the place we live in and the work we do. Okay. Fibers. Now what are fibers? Fibers are thin hair-like material used to make clothes. Fibers are of two types, natural and man-made. So what are fibers? Fibers are thin thread-like hair-like materials, okay, used to make clothes. There are two types of fibers, natural and man-made. What is natural fibers? We get natural fibers from certain plants and animals, okay, coming from nature, from plants and animals. Fibers that we get from plants are called plant fibers. Example, cotton and jute fibers. So, fibers that are got from plants are known as plant fibers. What are those? Cotton and jute fibers. We get cotton fiber from the seed in the fruit of the cotton plant. Cotton is used to make dresses, t-shirts, shirts, trousers, shorts, etc. We wear cotton clothes in summer because they keep us cool. So cotton fiber comes from the seeds in the fruit of the cotton plant. Cotton is used to make dresses, t-shirts, shirts, trousers and shorts. And we wear the cotton clothes during the summer time because cotton keeps us cool. Jute is a plant fiber that we get from the stem of the jute plant. Jute is used to make bags, sacks, ropes and mats. So jute is got from the stem of the jute plant. Okay. Jute is used to make bags, sacks, ropes and mats. Is it clear? Let us go to the next slide. Fibers that we get from animals are called animal fibers. Examples are wool and silk fiber. Okay. See over here this picture from the cotton plant to a cotton frock. From the jute plant to a jute bag. Okay, these are natural fibers. Now let us come to animal fibers. Fibers that we get from animals is called animal fiber. Example is wool and silk fibers. We get wool from the fur of sheep, goats and rabbits. Wool is used to make woolen clothes such as sweaters, pullovers, scarves and caps. Woolens keep us warm during winter. So wool is got from the fur of sheep, goats and rabbits. Wool is used to make woolen clothes that we wear during the winter time, like sweaters, pullovers, scarves and caps. Silk is a shiny fiber produced by the silkworm. Silk cloth is soft and is used to make saris and dresses for women as well as shirts and kurta pajamas for men. So, silk is a very shiny fiber, okay, and it is produced by silkworm, and this cloth is soft and it is used to make saris, silk saris, okay, dresses for women as well as shirts and kurta pajamas for men. Okay, see over here, sheep gives wool to make sweater, and here silkworm on leaf, then silk cloth. Silk is got from the silk fiber, is a shiny fiber produced by silkworm. So then it is changed to a silk scarf coming from the silk fiber is got how? Silk is a shiny fiber that is produced by the silkworm. Okay. Now let us come to man-made fibers. Fibers that are made by people are called man-made fibers. All this just now what we have learnt was natural fibers, plant fibers and animal fibers. Now we are coming to man-made fibers. Fibers that are made by people are called man-made fibers. Nylon and rayon are example of man-made fibers. These fibers are also used to make different clothes. So nylon and rayon are examples of man-made fibers, and this is also used to make different clothes. Clothes are worn in different seasons. Different clothes are worn in different seasons. We wear different types of clothes according to the different seasons. Okay, summertime we wear different clothes, winter time we wear different clothes. This we will continue in the next class. The different kinds of clothes that we wear in the different seasons, that we will do in the next class. Today what I have taught you, I hope it is clear to all of you students. This is all for today's lesson. Okay. We will continue with the lesson in your next class. Now the previous lesson, houses around us, exercise A I had given you. Exercise B and C I have to give you. I know that. Okay. So B and C I will put it in your Telegram group. The group is there of class 2. In the group I will put houses around us exercise B and C for you to do. Okay. You download it into your device. You learn it nicely and you will write it in your EBS copy. Okay. And this chapter we will continue in the next class. Thank you students and God bless.